Today, I'm going to make $1 million trade for sure. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm actually not 5x5. I'm 1x1 today, actually. Been working out too much, been pushing myself a little bit too much, so I'm going to probably rest right after this. So I'm just going to make this a quick show. We're going to be talking about the ETF that will be approved or not approved today. I really think that although it could be approved and prices could spike a little bit, we will see that reverse and eventually collapse because that's just how it is. The market is expecting it. So if they get it, then then it's buy the rumor, sell the news. And then if it doesn't get it, it's just gonna collapse like a cheap suit and fall even further. And you can see that when basically Gary Gensler came out and said that an ETF was approved ahead of schedule, but he didn't actually. Will the SEC investigate itself after Gary Gensler dealt an embarrassing blow in the Bitcoin ETF debacle? Apparently, he came out saying that there was an ETF on Twitter or X, and that caused the Bitcoin price to pump and then dump. Once he had seconds later had to post, hey, no, it was fake. Investigating yourself, right? Having the SEC investigate itself is basically like you investigating yourself for a crime. Hey, what? Yeah, that was probably I shouldn't have done it. That shouldn't have happened, right? Maybe I should do some investigation on myself. And see to make sure that no crimes were committed. Okay, so you're not. I don't know about you, but I don't think you're going to convict yourself of any crime. Maybe, but I doubt it. All right. With that said, let's get on to the trading for today. If you want to trade, you can do this on bybit.davinci15.com. That's where I'm going to be opening up the $1 million trade. Or there's 2bit.davinci15.com. Links in the description. And yeah, there's prizes you can win. Check that out. The description will provide more details. Okay. Basically, this trade, right, it's effectively the 61.8. Let me just go over here. So the 61.8, we're really close to it. It is approximately the 48,500 or 600-ish area. So effectively, I'm going to probably, I'm probably going to, this is probably where I'm going to start to enter and then start scaling in as we get higher and higher and higher. And I'll scale it up into this area. So between anywhere above the $48,500 and $15 or $55 and all the way up from there, I will start scaling in. This is interesting. I wonder if there's a Fibonacci information here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's another interesting one, right? So you can see that it could get as high of 50,000. We can go up as high as the 50,000. So be careful if you're going to trade this. This is going to be a very wild ride, and it's going to be volatility up to yin yang. If you're looking at Ethereum looks like we're going to top out here at the $2,400 mark. That's the 2,400-ish area, and then probably roll over. If we get the ETF approved, it might blast off to the $2,500 mark, but it's not looking like that's going to happen. I don't see that happening, honestly. Personally, I think it doesn't make sense for the government, who has a printing press, to allow retirement funds to buy an asset that's limited in supply. There isn't any more Bitcoin going to be made. It's all fixed in supply. And the amount of money that exists is not limited. Try to understand that. There is no limit to how much money can exist. And the amount of money that does exist is very, very, very large. And it'll continue to expand. So it would be personally an incorrect decision. But looking at it in another way, right? You could say, well, they're probably just going to push the price up to some astronomical price and then dump it all the way down so that the next bubble is slightly muted. And that's always a possibility. All right. With that said, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might do another video for my my viewers, because we're going to be I'm going to be doing that, opening up the trades. I'm going to do that, a personal video for them. And if you want to join, you can head over to davincej15.com. Link in the description below if you want to see that video that I'm going to be doing for them as I trade this this once in a lifetime opportunity. I might be wrong, might be right, but hey, I'm going to learn something for sure from this. All right. Take it easy.